As those of us in the Midwest know, there's really two seasons around here, winter and road construction, and both can have a negative impact on our network. Midco has a strong commitment to reliability of our services. We understand that outages have an impact on our customers, and we do everything in our power to avoid those, but sometimes when severe weather events happen, there's not a lot we can do, and so we focus on making sure that we're communicating proactively and effectively, and that we're resolving any outages as quickly as we can, because we know that reliability is a key component that adds value in the lives of our customers. When there's an outage, the first thing that happens is our Network Operations Center notifies the local teams so that they can be dispatched to put eyes on what's going on, assess the damage, the cause of the outage, and then quickly put in plans to replace the damaged cable. From there, we're going to proactively communicate with our customers, ideally within 15 minutes, to let them know that they are in an outage area, how they can stay in touch with us, and when we would expect resolution. Lastly, we'll quickly work to resolve the outage, and then we'll communicate back to our customers to let them know that the outage has been solved and ensure that their services are back up and working. What customers can best do to prepare for severe weather season, in addition to all the things that they need to do to stay safe, is ensure that they're opted in for our communication methods, whether that be email or text message. Know how to reach us, whether that's through the Midco Outages page or through our contact center number, and then just be patient with us as we work to resolve their issues as quickly as we can.